Hello friends, this is another lecture of linear homogeneous partial differential equation with constant coefficient. Method to find Pi. This is case 4 when RHS is of the form x raised to power m y raised to power n, then Pi of 1 upon f d d dash x raised to power m y raised to power n equals to f d d dash inverse x raised to power m y raised to power n. Now the expansion of this particular function, it depends on the power of x and y, that is depends on m and n. If m is greater than n, then 1 upon f d d dash is expanded in power of d dash upon d, and if m is less than n, then 1 upon f d d dash is expanded in power of d d dash. Now we shall solve few questions based on this particular case so that you can understand how to apply this type of condition. Now this is question number 1. Solve del cube z over del x cube minus twice del cube z over del x square del y equals to twice of e raised to power 2x plus 3x square y. So for this solution we start it as we have solved questions earlier, that is putting del over del x equals to capital D and del over del y equals to capital D dash. It means dq minus twice d square d dash z equals to twice of e raised to power 2x plus thrice x square y. For auxiliary equation, putting d equals to m, d dash equals to 1, then equate to 0 the bracket of LHS. It means what we get, m cube minus 2m square is equal to 0. On solving we get m equals to 0, 0 and 2. So CF equals to f1y plus x f2y plus f3y plus 2x. Now 1 upon d cube minus 2 d square d dash twice of e raised to power 2x plus thrice x square y. So we shall distribute these two terms, d cube minus 2 d square d dash e raised to power 2x, 2 is a constant, so we can write it in the left hand side of this particular term, plus thrice 1 upon d cube minus 2 d square d dash x square y. Now there are two cases exist. First condition is for the first case, that is when RHS is of the form e raised to power ax plus by. Then in this case we have to replace d by a and d dash by b. So here we have to put d equals to 2 and d dash equals to 0 because y is not exist. And in this particular case m equals to 2 and n equals to 1, that is m is greater than n. So we have to apply first condition of this particular case number 4. So here 2 into 1 upon 2 cube 8 minus 0 e raised to power 2x plus thrice m is greater than n. Then we have to expand in the power of d dash upon d, that is for this particular condition we have to make d dash upon d, and simply we have to take common the highest power of d from this. What is the highest power of d? D cube. So we can take d cube as a common. What is remaining? 1 minus twice d dash over d x square y. Now take it into the numerator. This is solved. 1 by 4 e raised to power 2x plus 3 upon d cube 1 minus 2 d dash upon d inverse x square y. Now we shall expand it by binomial transformation. So Pi equals to 1 upon 4 e raised to power 2x plus 3 upon d cube 1 minus x inverse. What is the expansion of 1 minus x inverse? Is 1 plus x square plus x cube and so on. So For this 1 plus 2 d dash over d plus 4 d dash square upon d square and so on x square 1. Now take this x square y inside the bracket. On multiplying with 1 we get x square y, 2 upon d and d dash means del over del y of x square y. Here we have to differentiate it partially with respect to y. So it will become x square, that is y has single power, so the next succeeding terms will become 0. So 1 upon 4 e raised to power 2x plus 3 upon d cube x square y plus 2 upon d x square. And as stated earlier, the meaning of 1 upon d is integration with respect to x. That is 1 upon d fx is equals to integral fx dx. So 1 upon 4 e raised to power 2x plus 3 upon d cube x square y plus 2x cube by 3. Now we have to integrate this entire function with respect to x up to the 3 times. That is 1 upon 4 e raised to power 2x 3 upon d square. One time integration is x cube by 3y plus 2x raised to power 4 by 12, or we shall write it x raised to power 4 by 6. Again on integrating 1 upon 4 e raised to power 2x 3 upon d x raised to power 4 by 12y plus x raised to power 5 by 30. Again last time we have to integrate it and we will get the solution of this type of function. Thrice of x raised to power 5 by 60y plus x raised to power 6 upon 180. Or we can write pi in the extended form 1 upon 4 e raised to power 2x plus 60, and x raised to power 5 also can be taken in the common. So this will become 3y plus x. Hence gs is equals to cf plus pi, or z equals to f1y plus x f2y plus f3y plus 2x plus 1 upon 4 e raised to power 2x plus x raised to power 5 by 60 3y plus x. This is the complete solution of this type of problem. Now this is the second question. Solve d square plus 4 d dash square z equals to x square y raised to power 4. So starting as solved earlier, for auxiliary equation putting d equals to m and d dash equals to 1, m square plus 4 equals to 0, we get m equals to plus minus 2 iota. So cf is equals to y1 f1 y plus 2 iota x plus f2 y minus 2 iota x. Now we move on to pi. So pi of 1 upon d square plus 4 d dash square x square y raised to power 4. Here m equals to 2 and n equals to 4. It means m is less than n. We have to expand it in term of d upon d dash. So for this, in previous question we have to open in term of d dash upon d, then we take highest power of d as a common. So in this particular case we have to take highest power of d dash as a common. So what is the highest power of d dash? That is this d dash square. So we can take common 1 upon 4 d dash square. So it will become 1 upon 1 plus d square upon 4 d dash square x square y raised to power 4. 1 upon 4 d dash square 1 plus d square upon 4 d dash square inverse. Now we have to open it by binomial, and by binomial 1 plus x inverse can be opened as 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube and so on. So what do we get? 1 upon 4 d dash square 1 minus d square upon 4 times of d dash square plus d raised to power 4 upon 16, d dash raised to power 4, and so on. Now again taking x square y raised to power 4 inside the bracket, 1 upon 4 d dash square x square y raised to power 4 minus 1 upon 4 d dash square d square of x square y raised to power 4. Now the two-time differentiation of this x square with respect to x will be 2. That is a constant term, and again if we differentiate it with respect to x, it will become 0. So the all succeeding term will become 0 plus all terms will be 0. So 1 upon 4 d dash square x square y raised to power 4, 1 upon 4 d dash square twice of y raised to power 4. Now we have to integrate it with respect to y up to the 2 times. Pi equals to 1 upon 4 d dash square x square y raised to power 4 as it is minus 1 upon 4 d dash, and one time integration with respect to y is 2 y raised to power 5 upon 5. Again integrate it 4 d dash square x square y raised to power 4 minus 1 upon 4 twice y raised to power 6 upon 6 into 5, or 2 to the 4. We can write it 1 upon 4 d dash square x square y raised to power 4 minus y raised to power 6 upon 60. Now still 1 upon d dash square remains, so 1 upon d dash fy means integration of function with respect to y. So we have to integrate it 2 times. One time when we integrated 1 time with respect to y, then it will become x square y raised to power 5 upon 5 minus y raised to power 7 upon 420, and in the last time x square y raised to power 6 upon 30 minus y raised to power 8 upon 8 into 420. This will become 1 upon 13440 x square y raised to power 6 minus y raised to power 8. So this is Pi. Gs equals to Cf plus Pi, or Z equals to F1 y plus 2 iota x plus F2 y minus 2 iota x plus 1 upon 13440 112 x square y raised to power 6 minus y raised to power 8. Now this is another problem. Solve d square plus d dash square z equals to x square y square. Starting at solving the previous questions, putting d equals to m and d dash equals to 1, then equate to 0 the bracket of LHS. We get m square plus 1 equals to 0, or m equals to plus minus iota. So Cf equals to f1 y plus iota x plus f2 y minus iota x. Now Pi of 1 upon d square plus d dash square x square y square. Now what is m? 2. What is n? Also 2. So both are equal, m equals to n. Then we shall use either of the first condition or the second condition. That is, we can expand it in power of d upon d dash or in power of d dash upon d. Now we are opening it in power of d dash upon d. So we can take 1 upon d square as a common, 1 upon 1 plus d dash upon d whole square x square y square. Open it, 1 plus d dash upon d square inverse. Now we can open it by binomial, 1 upon d square 1 minus d dash square upon d square plus d dash power 4 upon d raised to power 4 and so on, x square y square. Now 1 upon d square, make multiplying x square y square inside this particular bracket. So 1 of x square y square minus 1 upon d square and d dash square of x square y square. Now we have to differentiate this entire function partially with respect to y up to 2 times. So this y square will become constant. So the all succeeding terms will be 0. 1 upon d square x square y square minus 1 upon d square 2x square. Now 1 upon d square means integration with respect to x up to the 2 times. So on integrating it up to the 2 times, what do we get? X square y square minus x raised to power 4 upon 6. Now we have to integrate it this entire bracket with respect to x up to the 2 times. After solving, we get this particular pi. So gs is equals to ci plus pi, or z equals to f1 y plus iota x plus f2 y minus iota x plus 1 upon 180 15x raised to power 4 y square minus x raised to power 6. This is the complete solution of this kind of problem. If you like this video, then like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.